welcome to The Foodie. I'm at the Jaipur Marriott in Jaipur, of course. And in this season, the only reason to be in Rajasthan is to meet the Rajasthan Royals. And that's what we're going to do on The Foodie. We've got three gentlemen of the Rajasthan Royals joining us. So come along and let's meet Ajinkya Rahane, Ovesh Shah and Brad Hogg. So here we are. I've got three of the Rajasthan Royals, indeed three Royals with me. Starting from that end of the table, Ovesh Shah. Ovesh, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you. Of course, our new upcoming star in India, Ajinkya Rahane. Ajinkya, namaskar.
Namaskar.
And of course, this gentleman over here is one of those rare Australians who walks around with a pink doll, Brad Hogg. Brad,
Thanks very much for having me, mate.
I believe that Brad insists that we do this whole show in Hindi. So, you okay with that?
I'm definitely okay. I think Ace down the end there being English, but Pakistan origin, I think he'll struggle with his Hindi.
I don't think so. From what I've heard, Ovesh speaks impeccable Urdu and Hindi.
Just about, yes, definitely I do.
I must admit, it is quite annoying sometimes when he's in the bus talking Hindi because we know him as an English player.
Sure.
And it gets a little bit disturbing when he just talks Hindi throughout the bus. So we think that he's talking about the Westerners that are in the team.
About you guys who don't understand Hindi. This is a food show. So I know you've been playing cricket now for many months, many weeks, hard. But we're not going to talk cricket at all today. I hope that's okay with you guys.
That's perfectly perfect.
ठीक है. बहुत अच्छा. ठीक है. Ovesh, you've been happy with the food you've been eating on tour here?
Yeah, it's been amazing. बहुत अच्छा खाना हमारे होटल में is very nice.
Hotel में direct.
Very nice food. Teppanyaki, pizza, tradition in Indian food.
But you born in Karachi,
Yes.
brought up in the UK.
Yes.
So what kind of food at home?
Growing up, chicken biryani and all the Indian foods, that you have. And then, I've sort of adopted a bit more to the Western lifestyle of having a bit more salad and less of the big curries.
But when it comes to taste, I suppose
you can't beat a good chicken biryani.
you cannot beat it. And the way your mother makes it at home or what?
Exactly.
Karachi is a great place for food. Do you go back to Karachi at all?
No, unfortunately, I don't get the time.
I believe, and I've been dying to do this, Karachi, Lahore, the best
food, yes, that's right.
the best Mughlai food you can ever get anywhere.
That's right. बहुत अच्छा, very
बहुत अच्छा. I like it. Ajinkya, what about you? क्या करते हैं?
घर का खाना बहुत पसंद है मुझे.
But Ajinkya, you're a Bombay boy. आपकी पूरी उम्र अभी इतनी नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी बम्बई में गुजरी है. बम्बई की एक खासियत है कि बम्बई का you're getting what I'm saying.
Look, I'm understanding every word you're saying.
Every word I'm saying.
जब भी मैं जाता हूँ मुंबई में थोड़ा बहुत भी टाइम मिलता है, पानी पूरी खाता हूँ, भेल पूरी खाता हूँ, या कभी दोस्तों के साथ वक्त मिला तो मिसल पाव. That's a favorite Maharashtrian dish. मेरा favorite dish है जब मेरी मम्मी बनाती है पोहा. We all know poha. So
for breakfast.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
So-
a lovely dish.
You tried poha before?
I think so.
No, but poha is fantastic. I love
Fantastic,
poha.
yeah.
And when some people put peanuts in poha,
Yeah, that's my favorite.
and then that is out of the world, So, predominantly vegetarian or even non-veg stuff?
No, both.
Both
Yeah.
stuff, yeah. And the man from Australia, the land of good red meat and dairy product.
Quite frankly, I'm brought up on a sheep farm, so I love my lamb, and basically I'm a meat 3 veg type of guy.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't really get into the curries back in Australia, especially where I'm from, outback Australia in the country. But it's been great since '96. I've been travelling to India and getting stuck into a bit of Indian flavour, and we've got a couple of Indian restaurants back home. And I must admit, the Indians cook the lamb shank sensationally well. It's probably the best I've ever had lamb cooked.
Indian style.
Indian style. Sorry about that, Mum, but the Indian chefs do cook the lamb a little bit better.
There's a tradition of barbecue in Australia. Come weekend, everybody heads out, or at least heads out to their own backyards and starts putting a barbecue on, and the men folk do it. So do you cook it all?
Yeah, so I cook at home. Basically, I'm not allowed to cook in the inside kitchen because I'm a bit messy with the utensils and all the condiments. But the barbecue out the back is the man's cooking area.
Okay.
The woman's not allowed to touch the barbecue at all.
At all,
At
okay.
all. So the barbecue at home is mine.
Ajinkya, do you cook at all?
थोड़ा थोड़ा ट्राई किया है, नॉट एट होम बट व्हेन वी वेंट टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया फॉर दैट इमर्जिंग टूर्नामेंट इंडिया है, सो तब हमारा कभी ब्रेकफास्ट अवेलेबल नहीं होता था, तो उस समय बैक बीन्स करते थे टोस्ट बना के या बॉइल्ड एग्स, सो ऐसा थोड़ा बहुत खाना सीख लिया था मैंने उस टाइम.